Yeah. What is
Cherrapunji is whole. Sora is a plate. Just after having this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 8 a.m. now in the morning and it's Sunday today, so me and my roommate, we have planned something to do. We will be going somewhere that you will know in my upcoming videos. And here we go. When it comes about food, I have selective food habits. Like if you give me packaging food, I will not have that. But corns and boiled egg are my favorite. They are one of my favorite while traveling.
And here we reach. What is the name of this place? Huh? Show your face one. Take out this, whatever you call. Please. Where do you want to click?
In that tree or.
I don't even know what's the name of this waterfall. I'm just following my friends. I'll let you know after I end the video. The site is swimming pool, you know. It's written there swimming pool. What kind of swimming pool? I don't know. So now finally we will be reaching our destination to the waterfall. So this is the waterfall. I think we can go down also and see where I have reached. And these lazy people right there like a tortoise. Hey! Masrao! Come fast! We are getting late. I think it's now about to be 2 p.m. and we also have to return back. We haven't had our lunch. Ano waterfall ke ong le ko lo bang ni. Chere neng ne ke bang. Yeah, we are here. Woo! You have not seen this before? How come you don't see all this? You are from here and you don't even know all this, you slash creature. And now we are done. We are going back. We will search a place to have lunch. Let's see what we get. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you. Do visit again. Where do you want then? I'm okay with rice and some meat. Yeah, fine. The place where we went is Cherrapunji, or this all also Cherrapunji. Then Sora.
This only.
Sora is only Cherrapunji. Oh, I thought.
See from her state now.
My state, Assam.
Give example.
Guwahati and
Long, right? Wow. In Karbi Diffu is there. Like this, no?
is it?
Cherrapunji is whole. Sora is a plate.
Okay.
There are
So
many other places. Maujrong.
then the place where we went is Sora. Different.
Yeah, Sora.
Sora.
What is that place? Maumi Khet. Where is it? This is Maukma.
So that Lokla waterfall is in Sora.
No,
Huh?
it's in. It's in Sora.
Sora. Cherrapunji. Okay. So we entered to this restaurant and we were searching for pork and there was no pork, so we returned back.
Yeah, the pork
That head one and
Because after having this, who will need one more?
Together eat na.
No, we don't
After
want
not together. Then tell me.
give me chili. We just had lunch. We're done with the lunch and see what I got. Chut, 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 chut. Oh, pretty! Hello everyone. We have reached home safely, I think around 8 p.m. And after that we made some dinner. Then we had dinner. And I think now it's going to be 10 p.m. I have to go to sleep, totally exhausted. I could not make a vlog while returning because my battery was dead. I had only 2% while returning. Then by the time I reached home, it was no more, 0%. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Oh no, please like and comment and share. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do. Bye bye.